Babala mo ba si
Bakso,
JR
nasa
bumili ng kape? Nasa pack.
Nasa pack?
Yeah.
Suntok?
Nasa pack.
Ano ibig sabihin? Nasa pack siya sa mukha?
Nasa pack.
Bakit hindi niya?
Bumili siya ng kape.
Sino nga sinapak niya? Sino sumapak sa kanya?
Yung kape.
Ang gulo mo.
Ay, pinilit ko raw.
Medyo nawid lang ako, bilis eh. Oo.
Actually, andito po siya.
Uy!
Charot. Well,
Sa plano niya, di ba? Of course. Kung ano man napapag-usapan.
well, health talaga napapag-usapan namin. Kasi with our work, yung trabaho, di ba, medyo physical, puyatan, and emotional din also. So, talagang puhunan namin yung health eh. And tayong lahat naman ganon. So, palagi talaga namin pinag-uusapan yung health and how to be healthier. Whether it be check-ups or, you know, para sa pamilya namin. Ako, dati sa mga lola ko, yun talaga yung nasa isip ko. So, health is really so important to me. And I'm happy to have a partner in health. Aside from eye care, na talagang pareho ng priority sa akin. Wow.
Galing, no?
Oh my! How do you have your beautiful smile? Yeah, ang ganda ng smile.
Don't you
I don't practice on funny things of echo lang, ano. So, what I noticed actually is na parang when you're happy, it really radiates. Kasi when you're sad, parang even if you smile, hindi ka masyadong maganda. So I think always just work on your like self-love and like inner happiness.
Self-love lang or echo love?
And echo love, of course.
He makes you happy?
Yeah.
Ah, okay, swerte nito. And ikaw, Echo, you have to beat her answer, huh?
Yeah, I just have to make sure wala akong tinga. And I brush my teeth. And so,
Okay,
and
brush your
my
teeth
breath
and-
smells good. So,
And Ultra Prime.
Good girl, I love you.